Good people, back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, as always, I'd like to humbly request you like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We need to boost up the channel, we need to get the views up, ratings, likes, we need all the videos to do well, man. Come on, people. Support me. But yeah, I got something not too different. It's been featured on my channel twice, but in terms of high-end or luxury, quite a few times. I'm really starting to like what this brand does, which is release some quality pieces. Don't like everything, don't like most things, but there's some good pieces from this brand, man. And don't cuss me for not knowing how to pronounce it or not pronouncing it right. I'm just gonna pronounce it the way I speak. Bally. Bally. Nice box. I've never actually had a box that's been like in one piece, man. Come on, like it's annoying. But we move. We move. Bally embossed on the box. So they're the Heritage Red Daryn-T. So it says polyester fabric US 11 EU 10 FR 44. Seems a bit odd there. It should be EU 44 UK 10 US 11. I don't even care, man. But yeah, Heritage Red is the color and Daryn is the model. Smack that lid off. So as always, designers, they always come with, or luxuries always come with extra bits and bobs. So there's a card with embroidered Bally and another one. Let's check out what this one says first. A lot of stuff. Product. This item that you've just purchased is made from the finest leather available. This is 100% natural skin and has been specially tanned for a rich, deep color and soft texture. I don't give a damn. And again, more information. Quality guarantee. Would like to congratulate you on your luxury product choice and thank you for choosing Bally. This distinctive piece was designed in Switzerland with close attention paid to original details guaranteed. Shut up. Be quiet, man. Then it's got, oops, I hope I wasn't in the video. Bally inspection control JZH. Thank you for that. Spare white laces. We can always do with some spare laces. We love some spare laces. Lots of tissue. Too much tissue. These cloth dust bags, which I really don't like, they're just so odd. Let's get that off and the shoe out. Boom. So that's like a deep red color. Bally runners. I'll just call them runners. They are runners. What I really like is the sole. It's a Vibram or whatever sole. Vibram. Solid stuff. Bally 1851, probably when they were made. Proper strong trainers, quality stuff. Good leather, proper good leather all around the toe box. Mesh on the toe box, so like, you know, it doesn't crease and stuff. Good quality mesh as well, I have to say. Then leather again, all around the laces. Bally, that's in metal. literally like stuck on, then a little web detail. Leather again, leather on the back, and this is my favorite bit about the Bally, the pop out letters on the other pair. It says Bally on the back and then 1851. Love that. It's got Bally there. It's like embossed or whatever you want to call it. Seriously nice, man. I really want to get some more colors in these. They just, you can tell it's a good quality shoe, sneaker, trainer. Like, you get what you pay for with these. I don't really like all of Bally's footwear. I think some of it is disgusting, but these are definitely up there with some of the nicer stuff that they do. Really give me, you know, Valentino vibes, Prada runners vibes, them type of trainers, sneakers. The price is decent as well for what they are. I'd probably even take these over the Valentinos because I think they're better quality. Don't quote me on that. I think is the quote that you should use. I think that they're better quality. I like everything about this shoe, man. Definitely loads of colorways you can get these in. It's black, blues, these. I just have a jacket that I really like, that these will go amazing with. Just one headache is laces. I hate this thing that luxury brands do with all the laces like that. Definitely going to have to undo those laces and do them all over again, because I like the crisscross laces. It can be kind of long, but you know what, I prefer crisscross laces. They do come with white laces. I don't think I'll ever put the white laces in, to be honest. I might try one just to see how it looks, to see if it looks better. I can't imagine it looking better, to be honest. So I think I'll definitely just go for, or keep these laces and just redo them. To be honest, yeah. So I really like these runners. A lot of runners I like. I'm a fan of runners. Like, if it's high-end luxury, it has to be a runner. I don't just like flats or, you know, them type of trainers, because they're all quite similar. Runners, they can be quite different. But yeah, just a quick short review for you guys. Hope you did enjoy that. If you do have any questions about them, then, you know, comment below. As always, there will be an on-foot video to follow. I'll do it once I've changed the laces up. But yeah, make sure you always like, comment, share, subscribe. The on-foot video will be following this. And the most important thing is, take care, people.